In today's digital age, the opportunity to make money online has expanded exponentially. With the rise of smartphones and internet connectivity, earning a substantial income from the comfort of your own home or anywhere with an internet connection is not only feasible but increasingly common. Whether you're looking to supplement your existing income or transition to full-time remote work, there are numerous online jobs available that can help you achieve your financial goals. In this video, we'll explore 7 lucrative online jobs that can potentially earn you $500 per day, all from the convenience of your smartphone. 1. Freelance writing. Freelance writing offers a flexible and lucrative opportunity to earn money online. With content in high demand across various industries, there's a constant need for talented writers. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr allow you to showcase your writing skills and connect with clients seeking blog posts, articles, website content, and more. As a freelance writer, you can earn anywhere from $50 to $500 or more per assignment, depending on your experience and expertise. 2. Virtual assistants. As businesses increasingly operate online, the demand for virtual assistants, VAs, has surged. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative support to businesses and entrepreneurs remotely. Tasks may include email management, scheduling appointments, social media management, data entry, and more. Websites like remote.co, Indeed, and Zirtual offer opportunities for virtual assistants, with earnings ranging from $15 to $50 per hour. 3. Online tutoring. With the growth of e-learning platforms, online tutoring has become a popular way to earn money remotely. If you have expertise in a particular subject or skill, you can offer your services as an online tutor. Websites like tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and VIP Kid connect tutors with students worldwide. Whether you're proficient in math, language arts, coding, or music, there's a demand for tutors across various disciplines. Online tutors can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour, depending on the subject and level of expertise. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a passive income stream that can be highly lucrative with the right strategy. As an affiliate marketer, you promote products or services through your website, blog, or social media channels and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral link. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction offer affiliate programs across a wide range of industries. By creating valuable content and strategically promoting affiliate products, you can earn substantial commissions, potentially reaching $500 or more per day. 5. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce business model that requires minimal upfront investment and can be managed entirely from your smartphone. With dropshipping, you set up an online store and partner with suppliers who handle inventory storage, packaging, and shipping. When a customer places an order, the supplier fulfills it directly, eliminating the need for inventory management. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Oberlo make it easy to start a dropshipping business and scale your operations. By identifying profitable niches and effectively marketing your products, you can generate significant income, potentially exceeding $500 per day. 6. Stock photography. If you have a passion for photography, you can monetize your skills by selling stock photos online. Stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow photographers to upload and sell their images to a global audience. Whether you specialize in landscapes, portraits, or abstract photography, there's a market for high-quality stock photos across various industries. By consistently uploading new content and optimizing your keywords and tags, you can generate passive income from your photography, potentially earning $500 or more per day. 7. Online surveys and market research. While online surveys may not offer the same earning potential as other online jobs, they can still provide a steady source of supplemental income. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars offer paid surveys and market research opportunities to users willing to share their opinions and feedback. While individual survey payouts may be modest, completing multiple surveys daily can add up over time, potentially reaching $500 per day or more, depending on your dedication and availability. Conclusion: the internet has democratized the opportunity to earn money online, and with a smartphone and internet connection, you can access a wide range of lucrative online jobs. Whether you're a skilled writer, a talented tutor, or a budding entrepreneur, there are plenty of opportunities to generate income from the comfort of your own home or anywhere in the world. By leveraging your skills, expertise, and creativity, you can easily make $500 or more per day using your smartphone. So why wait? Start exploring these online job opportunities today and take control of your financial future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. Until next time, happy earning!